Turn the gauge on by holding down the on-off switch until you see it light up and allow the numbers to zero down. Be sure to set your gauge for reading in gram force units. It is best to set the tension for your bobbin thread first. If you have not already viewed our video for setting the bobbin thread tension, please watch that first. With your top thread threaded through the needle and the presser foot, wrap the thread around the top 2 white pulleys only, as seen here. Also wrap it above the thread guide and under the holding pin. Depending on your machine and how tight or loose you have your bobbin tension set, your desired number may vary up or down by as many as 10 grams. Finding and recording your desired number is key to using this device successfully. Here we are going to attempt to set it at 150 grams. Using consistent speed, pull the top thread to see the tension reading. Here you see we have it too tight, showing at 190 grams. Our top tension knobs are too tight, so you're going to want to loosen those accordingly. If you loosen them too much, the gauge is going to show you. As you can see here, we're reading low at 65, so you want to go somewhere in the middle with your tension knobs in order to get to the 150 that you're seeing here. Next, we recommend that you sew out a simple satin stitch column. For this test, it's important to have both the bobbin thread and top thread tension together. Setting both the top and bottom thread is a balancing act, as you will see in the next image. The example here shows the one on the left has the top tension is too loose. In the middle, it is showing that the top tension is too tight. And finally, the example in the far right is perfect tensioning, showing 1/3 of the bobbin thread down the middle and 1/3 of the top thread showing on both sides.